All right, we got translations today. This is section 9.1. So the location and orientation of a geometric figure can be changed while preserving the distance and angle measures. So the distance between any 2 points, angle measures, and orientation of a geometric figure remain the same when a figure is translated in one direction. So in general, transformations is where we move or change a figure to produce a new figure called an image. So the image is what we get. The pre-image is what we start with. So in this scenario, this domino is the pre-image, and this domino is the image. And so what move or change is happening to the dominoes? Well, this one gets flipped over. And if this was the pre-image, and this is the image, this one gets slid or slides. And once again, this is the pre-image. And this is my image. And this one looks like it gets turned or rotated. So this type of transformation preserves distance and angle measures, and this is called a rigid motion. So in this section, we're going to talk specifically about slides. So when we start with our pre-image right here, we slide this across and we end up with our image. This is called a translation. So a translation is where we move every point and it has the same distance. So if I were to look from the eye to this eye over here, these two have the same distance as this smiley face is from that smiley face. Everything moves and is the exact same distance apart. So a translation is a transformation that maps all points of a figure the same distance in the same exact direction. So we're starting with our pre-image, A, B, and C, which is the red triangle there, and we end up with our image, which is in green. And so what's happening here is B is shifting to the right a certain amount, A is shifting to the right a certain amount, and C is shifting to the right a certain amount. Well, these are the exact same, they're congruent, and they're the exact same measure. So what we know is that AA is equal to BB, which is equal to CC. Well, it's also same with all the measures here. AB is equal to A prime B prime, BC is equal to B prime C prime, AC is equal to A prime C prime. Same thing with all of the measures. So what's nice is that this preserves distance and everything goes in the same direction. This is, once again, a rigid motion, which is very nice. One note here is that the notation is important. So if I do this right here, it's T for translation of triangle ABC is equal to triangle A prime, B prime, C prime, because A prime, B prime, C prime is the image.